السلام عليكم السلام عليكم. انا بابا المصري اسكندراني.
So for tonight's dinner, we're making quick hamburgers. Takes 15 minutes. We're going to use 50% halal beef and halal lamb minced together. We made these, you can see it in our other video, how to make these perfectly round hamburger patties. You just pull them out the freezer, boom, cook them up real quick, good to go. So before we get started, please subscribe, like, share the videos, and comment. Let's get started. Mostly everything's ready to go, but we need to cut up some potatoes. I've done a few already, but yeah, I'll show you how to do it. All right, let's test this oil. Test potato. Ooh, that looks good. Place the potatoes directly in the middle, slowly. Very slowly. Spread them around. All right, we're making the hamburgers now. Potatoes need a few more minutes, so we'll start the burgers. It's ready. Halal beef, lamb, beef and lamb.
lettuce and after the lettuce, huh? You would one tomato. One is enough. One is enough. Very good. Then you do here, there. like to show something, no?
Oh, got some pickles.
Yeah, with this one here. Beautiful and good.
Beautiful. Very nice.
That's it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't see it divided by all to make it really full.
Look at that.
No recording.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's lamb and beef, halal lamb and beef burgers. Let's try it.
What this one? Oh. Good.
Bye-bye.
السلام عليكم السلام عليكم. انا بابا المصري اسكندراني.